that one.
Okay,
Oh, that's red.
Keep going. Okay, start right now. No, you don't have to restart it. Okay. Oh, we would have made like 600 videos right now. Okay, ready? So on the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Hey guys!
We're saying hey guys or hey.
Hey guys. Wait, I guess it could be girls. Hey
Hey,
everyone.
Yeah, there we
Okay.
go.
Hey everyone. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey everyone. So. Okay, wait, what are we
Okay,
gonna say?
you just say hey everyone. I'll say it's Melizzy. Or Melizzy. How
You should be like, hey, it's Mel, and I'll be like, Izzy.
And we're Melizzy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Melizzy. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey everyone. I'm Mel.
I'm Izzy. Okay, we totally messed that up. You're going first, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Hey everyone.
I'm Mel.
I'm Izzy.
And we're Melizzy. So this first video that we made, we really had no time to do it because I'm visiting. So we did 2 looks for you guys for fall. Yeah,
And one hairdo that I'm
and
wearing.
she taught you how to do it. Yeah. So just casual braid and a fishtail. But bam. Hope you guys like it.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Oh wait.
Oh.
Don't forget. Don't forget.
Seriously, come on.
What are we
Get
saying?
yourself together.
What should we close out with? We need a cool closing out. Like, you know how they always go like,
Don't forget and don't regret. We love you, Melizzies. Bye.